Integrating SAP Quality Management with Customer Relationship Management (CRM). Integrating SAP Quality Management with Customer Relationship Management (CRM) can streamline business processes by connecting quality control with customer interactions, enabling better customer satisfaction, efficient issue resolution, and data-driven decision-making. Below is a comprehensive overview of the integration process, benefits, challenges, and technical considerations. Overview of SAP QM and CRM. SAP Quality Management (QM), a module within the SAP ERP system that manages quality-related processes such as inspections, quality planning, and issue resolution across production, procurement, and sales processes. It ensures products meet defined standards and supports compliance with regulations. SAP Customer Relationship Management (CRM), a solution either on-premise SAP CRM or cloud-based SAP C/4HANA that manages customer interactions, sales, marketing, and service processes. It focuses on improving customer relationships, tracking leads, and personalizing customer experiences. Integration between these systems enables businesses to link quality data, for example, defects, inspections, with customer data, for example, complaints, feedback, to enhance service quality, traceability, and operational efficiency. Benefits of integration: improved customer satisfaction. Quality issues identified in SAP QM can be directly linked to customer complaints in CRM, enabling faster resolution and personalized responses. Real-time quality data ensures accurate communication with customers about product issues or recalls, building trust. Enhanced issue resolution. Customer complaints logged in SAP CRM can trigger quality inspections or corrective actions in QM, creating a seamless workflow for addressing defects or nonconformities. For example, a customer-reported issue via email or phone can automatically generate a quality notification in QM for technical resolution. Resolution details are updated in CRM for customer follow-up. Data-driven insights. Combining QM and CRM data provides insights into how quality issues impact customer satisfaction, enabling proactive improvements in products and services. Analytics from CRM, for example, customer behavior, complaint trends, can feed into QM for better quality planning and forecasting. Streamlined processes. Integration automates repetitive tasks, such as transferring quality defect data to CRM for customer follow-ups, reducing manual work and errors. It supports omni-channel communication by linking quality data to customer touchpoints, for example, web, phone, or email. Regulatory compliance and traceability. Integrating quality data with customer interactions ensures traceability for audits and compliance, especially in industries like manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, or food and beverage. Quality notifications can be tied to customer records for complete documentation of issue resolution. Key integration scenarios: customer complaint to quality notification. A customer logs a complaint in SAP CRM, for example, defective product. The system creates a quality notification in QM, triggering an inspection or corrective action. Example, a customer reports a faulty device via the SAP Interaction Center. The complaint is automatically routed to QM for defect analysis, and resolution details are updated in CRM for customer follow-up. Quality data for customer communication. Quality inspection results from SAP QM, for example, batch recalls, defect rates, are shared with CRM to inform customers proactively, such as through targeted campaigns or service notifications. Example, if a batch fails inspection, CRM can notify affected customers via email or SMS, improving transparency. Returns and warranty management. CRM handles customer return requests, which are linked to QM for quality checks on returned goods. This ensures defective products are analyzed and warranty claims are processed efficiently. Example, a return request in CRM triggers a QM inspection to determine if the product is defective or repairable, with results updating the CRM case status. Feedback-driven quality improvements. Customer feedback and survey data from CRM is fed into QM to identify recurring quality issues, enabling continuous improvement in product design or manufacturing processes. Example, CRM analytics show frequent complaints about a product feature, prompting QM to revise quality specifications. Technical integration approach. Integration between SAP QM and CRM can be achieved using SAP's standard tools and middleware. Below are the key components and steps. Middleware. SAP Process Integration, PI, or Process Orchestration, PO. SAP PI/PO is commonly used to facilitate data exchange between SAP QM, part of SAP ERP, and SAP CRM. It uses predefined interfaces such as iDocs, RFCs, or web services to transfer data like quality notifications, inspection results, or customer complaints. Example, the CRMXIF Order Save iDoc can be used to transfer service orders from CRM to QM for quality checks. SAP NetWeaver. As the underlying platform for SAP Business Suite, NetWeaver supports integration by providing a runtime environment for data exchange and custom development. It enables connectivity between SAP CRM and non-SAP systems if needed, for example, integrating with a third-party CRM. SAP Cloud Platform Integration, CPI. For cloud-based SAP C/4HANA, SAP CPI is used to integrate with SAP QM in on-premise ERP systems like S/4HANA. CPI supports real-time data synchronization and API-based integrations for modern cloud scenarios. Master data synchronization. Ensure consistent master data, for example, material master, customer master, across QM and CRM using SAP Master Data Governance, MDG, or middleware. Example, material data in QM must align with product data in CRM to ensure accurate tracking of defective products. Custom development. Use ABAP for on-premise or SAP Cloud SDK for cloud to create custom workflows such as linking a CRM service order to a QM inspection lot. Business add-ins, BADIs, or user exits can enhance standard integration scenarios, like customizing notification workflows. Integration with SAP S/4HANA. If you're using S/4HANA, QM is embedded in the ERP core, and CRM capabilities are available via SAP S/4HANA for customer management or SAP C/4HANA. S/4HANA's embedded QM and CRM functionalities reduce the need for separate middleware in some cases, as data is managed in a single system. Steps for implementation. Assess requirements. Evaluate current QM and CRM processes to identify integration points, for example, complaint handling or returns processing. Define technical and functional requirements, such as data fields to synchronize or workflows to automate. Design integration architecture. Choose the integration tool, PI/PO, CPI, or direct integration in S/4HANA. Map data flows, such as linking CRM service orders to QM quality notifications. Configure systems. Set up master data synchronization for customers, materials, and products. Configure middleware, for example PI/PO, for data exchange using iDocs, RFCs, or APIs. Test and validate. Perform end-to-end testing of scenarios like complaint to notification or quality to customer communication. Validate data consistency and process automation across systems. Deploy and monitor. Roll out the integration in a phased approach, starting with critical processes. Use tools like SAP Solution Manager to monitor integration performance and resolve issues. Challenges and solutions. Data consistency. Challenge: mismatched master data, for example, product codes in QM versus CRM, can disrupt integration. Solution: implement SAP MDG or regular data cleansing to ensure consistency. Complex middleware setup. Challenge: configuring PI/PO or CPI requires technical expertise and can be time-consuming. Solution: leverage SAP standard integration content, for example, pre-built iDocs for service orders, to minimize custom development, and engage certified SAP consultants. Performance issues. Challenge: high data volumes, for example, frequent quality notifications, can slow down integration. Solution: optimize data transfer with batch processing and monitor system performance using SAP tools. Change management. Challenge: employees may resist new integrated workflows combining QM and CRM processes. Solution: provide training and use SAP Fiori for user-friendly interfaces to ease adoption. Best practices. Leverage SAP standard tools. Use SAP's pre-built integration scenarios, for example, iDocs for service orders, to minimize custom development. Focus on key processes. Prioritize high-impact scenarios like complaint handling or returns processing for initial integration. Use analytics. Combine CRM's customer analytics with QM's quality data to drive continuous improvement. Plan for scalability. Design the integration to handle future growth, such as adding new customer channels or quality processes. Engage experts. Work with SAP-certified partners, for example, LeverX or Surety Systems, for implementation and support. Real-world example. A manufacturing company using SAP ERP and SAP CRM integrates QM with CRM to handle customer complaints about defective products. When a customer reports a defect via the CRM Interaction Center, the system creates a quality notification in QM. The QM team inspects the product, logs the defect, and updates the resolution in CRM. The customer is notified of the resolution via email, and the data is used to improve future product quality. This integration reduces resolution time by 30% and increases customer satisfaction by providing transparent communication. Integrating SAP QM with CRM creates a powerful synergy between quality control and customer relationship management, enabling faster issue resolution, better customer experiences, and data-driven quality improvements. By leveraging SAP's middleware, PI/PO, CPI, integration standards, and best practices, businesses can achieve seamless integration. For complex implementations, consider engaging SAP-certified consultants and using tools like SAP Solution Manager for monitoring.